Today's smoothie is a mango, oats, and I forgot one Greek ingredient. Mango, oats, and Greek style yogurt. No additives, nothing else. Just these three ingredients to make a super filling, nutritious smoothie. So here we go. This side. This has already been washed. So I washed the skin, and we have 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt and 1/4 cup of oats. So we're just going to slice it like so. Now it felt ripe, but it actually doesn't look like it, so I need to give it a taste. Because if it's not ripe, that's not good. See, the center is dark. That means this is the ripest part. Oh, it's sweet. But with this mango, it is best to be left to ripen. So let me wash my hands. Right. What I'm going to do is actually squeeze the juice from here into the container that I'll be blending everything up with. So let's move this aside and cut this up. And the bigger the container that you have, obviously the more mango and the more oats and yogurt you can use. This is a 300 ml container. So it's only going to hold a little bit. Fiddly. This part, I normally just eat this part and slice up the rest. It's okay sweet, but trust me, these mangoes, when they're sweet. Okay, let's clean up this stuff here. Take away this plate. Okay, it looks a bit messy, but that's mango for you. And now I'm going to add all of this oats. Decoration over here. And then, I don't know how much of the yogurt I should add. I think I'll add all of the yogurt. So I did 3 of these. The yogurt is very thick and creamy. It's good to last in your tummy and just slowly release its sugars to keep you fuller for longer and give you energy. So now let's blitz or mix, huh? So here we go. I'm going to make it as smooth as possible. No, I don't want to water it down. This is the thickness. I'm going to get a spoon. So it's not straw-like. It's not straw loose, should I say. It is, you can see, it's actually nice. I wish the mango was ripe more than it is. It was. But this is actually a nice meal. Like, I could eat this. Like, if you wanted to, you can add some sugar or honey, add honey or whatever sweetener, cinnamon, nutmeg, a little bit of salt. You could season it up and make a meal of this, and it would be so good. And it will fill you up for some time. I had a little bit from here. I was eating this, you know. But I'm going to now add it into here to carry. It goes on like this and like this. You could put some granola in here. This comes from Tesco. Granola in here, or whatever munchies, dried fruits could go in here. And then you could just pour it in. But wait. So, here we go. When you make it for yourself, if you choose to make it for yourself, add whatever you would like to add. Maybe even oat milk to make it more drinkable. But the Greek yogurt really makes food, not food, but yeah, food as in not a drink, not a smoothie. You know. So actually the measurements are good for this container. 300 ml here. 3 tablespoons, this is a teaspoon. 3 tablespoons of yogurt, a 1/4 cup of oats, and 1 good ripe mango. And there you have it. I'm just going to eat the rest of this because it's actually good. Pop the lid on. And there we go.